Termux was cute, like a toy Linux, but we are professionals. In this video, we are surgically implanting NixOS into your Android phone. Because why have one operating system when you can have two? Just download and install the Nix-on-Droid application, link in the description. And when you open the application, you will see something like this. Just press enter and wait for the first setup. It will take some time. Now, you have Nix installed with some basic packages on your Android. Run some basic commands. Oh, it doesn't work. Off to a great start. Let's edit the configuration file. Uncomment these lines because these are some basic packages which people want. Add one extra package ncurses. This will provide us clear command and save it WNQ, which stand for why question. Now simply rebuild our OS using Nix-on-Droid switch command. Now we should have basic terminal functionalities. Type clear command and it worked. Nobel Prize. Now if you don't like Vim text editor, you can install Nano by using nixenv command. Test it and it is working. I'll stick to Vim. Now let's install something useless but flashy like Cmetrics. Now run the Cmetrics command to feel like a hacker. Yeah, matrix code on your phone, uninstall it. We are not kids anymore. After uninstalling Cmetrics, let's check if our Nix-on-Droid has storage permission. CD/SD card ls, and we don't have permission. So we need to enable Android integration by editing the configuration file. And if you don't have any idea what I am doing right now, then check the link in the description and read the documentation of Nix-on-Droid, which I know you are not gonna do it. So watch the video again and again to understand, or you can just pause the video and copy the code. Okay. With this code, we will be able to use Termux setup storage in our Nix-on-Droid application, and also Termux open URL command so that we can use that too. Cool, isn't it? Just save it and rebuild our system. Run termux setup storage command and it is working. Allow it. Check if we have the permissions and it is working. So clear it. Now let's do some styling by changing the font of Nix-on-Droid and the background color. Here we can download, so install the wget command so we can download nerd fonts. Open any browser, search nerd fonts, copy the link and download it using wget. This will do. Unzip the font Copy any font that you like and move it inside .termux directory, but we need to create it first. So mkdir home.termux, move the font as font.ttf. Okay. Now we need to remove the unnecessary font directory. So rm-rf. Okay. For changing background, we need to create a file called colors.properties inside .termux folder. Write a background is equal to open color picker, search it, and choose whatever color you want. Copy the hex code and paste it. Save it, Ctrl XY, and reopen. Voila! Now we have a colorful terminal. It is time to change the default cell and prompt. Open the configuration file, add some packages, fizz for cell, star shape for prompt. Now change default user cell to fizz. Follow my steps. Now save it and rebuild the NixOS system. Now exit and reopen. As you can see, we have successfully changed the default cell of Nix-on-Droid. Now let's change the prompt by editing the fizz config. Write these codes. And source the star shape to fizz. Save and exit. Reopen. But we are pro, so we need to make it more stylish. Open GitHub, search for starship config GitHub, and choose whichever config you like, or you can write your own. So I'll just choose this one. Okay, this one looks good. Copy, paste it inside starship config, paste, save it. And as we can see, now we have a different prompt. Now everything is done, but to get the full power of NixOS, we need the experimental commands. Add the Nix configuration file and uncomment these lines. Since this is experimental, it can break your system, break on your device, and may not work. But it's up to you. If you wanna try, you can. Let's add the time zone to Asia, Kolkata. Save and rebuild. Now with this, we will have everything that NixOS has, pretty much everything, like Nix flakes and Nix commands, experimental commands, etc. So now let's run it. Next profile list. It is working. Now let's try installing something. Now it is installed. Let's say hey cow say installed. Now you have a cow that says anything you want. Let's edit the fizz greeting and make it more stylish. Cow say I use Nix by the way, and save it. Exit your Nix-on-Droid, reopen the application, and you can see But we need to remove these unnecessary texts. Just clear the terminal first. Vi dot slash user live login inner. Remove these unnecessary lines. Save it. Exit the terminal. Open it, and it is gone. Perfect. Another successfully over engineering project. And if you like this video, subscribe to learn more ways to make things complicated. And Nix-on-Droid, because sometimes you just want to suffer. Take care. Bye bye.